Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Neo4j databases with online backups, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup Neo4j databases using online backups, start by ensuring that your Neo4j instance is running. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where Neo4j is installed. Log into the Neo4j database using the following command. Use the Neo4j admin tool to initiate the backup process. Type Neo4j admin backup followed by your specific options. Specify the source database by adding the database flag. Input the name of the database you wish to backup. Designate a target directory where the backup will be stored using the to flag. Make sure that the target directory has the necessary right permissions. If you want to include authentication, add the username and password flags. Ensure that the Neo4j instance remains online during the backup process. Press Enter to execute the backup command. Monitor the terminal for any messages or errors during the process. Once the backup is complete, verify the contents of the target directory. Make sure the backup file is present and intact. Consider testing the backup by restoring it to a separate Neo4j instance. This will help you confirm that the backup was successful and can be used for recovery. Document your backup process and schedule regular backups to ensure data safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.